Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window though, about new updates, tap on Not Now or select OK. Either way, from here tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of INFINIX. Also on Motorola, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select all of your files that you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to selected, choose OK, and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide, close the node, allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code, then wait. To input this key though, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and when you finished, hit this blue check mark at the bottom right corner or Receive button. As you can see after that, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!